Hello and welcome from CMT Stuttgart. I've got here one of my favourite vehicles, Wingamm 540.1, Oasi 540.1. It is it's rather expensive at 132,000 euros. It's also available in the United States, I might point out as well. I think the price in the United States is closer to $200,000, but I don't know, and that is up to for sure. That's only based on what I actually read. Maybe it's 190,000. Of course, it depends on the spec and all sorts of other things. What this vehicle can offer is this enormous, absolutely enormous lounge here in a vehicle of this size. So a 6-meter vehicle with all of this space in it, and that is thanks to the fact that the bed is up here. And so that'll come down at night. You can still actually sit round, unlike most places with vehicles with a drop-down bed. You can still space actually below it thanks to the height of the vehicle. It's also got an absolutely enormous kitchen here. 2 burners. We have this very, very large sink, and in a vehicle of this size, that is absolutely unique. Under it we can find storage, and of course I've got this fridge from Dometic which opens both ways, and it comes with a design that matches the tabletop up here as well. Storage down there, proper walls to the storage note, and extremely attractive in my opinion. There's also this flat floor all the way back to the rear. This vehicle has a shell, monocoque shell, which has advantages that instead of gluing the walls together, you've got one shell, just one unit, which is then attached to the front part of the vehicle down here, the part which comes from Fiat. At the front here we've also got, as you'd expect, blackout blinds there and on the sides here as well, and so you can make it dark at night should you so want. This has seating positions for 4, so there's 2 seating positions, or belted positions I should say, at the rear down there. Coming in to the washroom here. Now note also, this is absolutely enormous for a vehicle of this size. It's like a TARDIS. That was a program on Doctor Who on British television, which I think still is on, but it was on when I was a child. And he had something, it was a police telephone box, which he had for space time travel, and when you got inside it was much larger. Note it also has a proper domestic drainage hole, and when you take this duckboard out, there's also a non-slip surface under there. Also comes with a 10 amp fuse for your 12 volt in the washroom. Oops, I've just turned something off. Oh no, it's not turn that off. And right, and of course with places to hang your towels up and the likes. Often turn things off, including in my own vehicle, when I walk into it. Okay, wardrobe here, lots of space there. Down here, more storage there. And there's a couple of things here I've got for carrying. I don't know what you put in there, but also a bit of space there. The door comes with an integrated fly screen, mosquito net. Turn the lights off there. And here you can see what the score is with your electricity and your water, and you turn your 12 volt on and off from up here, and there's your Truma iNet. Coming outside, we will find there a bit of storage under there, so you've got a ladder to get into the bed if you so want. Monocoque here, so you can see there's no joints on it whatsoever. That's for the cassette toilet, and we have some storage, external storage down there. From the negative point of view, of course, is with the garage isn't it? So if you want to carry a bike, then you have to put a bike carrier on the back of the vehicle, and I think that the shell is so nice it would be a shame to actually do anything to it. Right, let's come to the front as well. Right, I'll show you a couple of other vehicles whilst I'm here in this range. So this here is the 610M, 142,000 in excess of, and once more got the living room here. There's a chair here which has been removed. I suppose that is to show that you can put your feet, you don't want to put your legs when you've got this sitting position here. That I think is now a legal requirement. This one has got, the kitchen area is a bit smaller, and it's got a side bed back here, and in here we find an enormous, absolutely enormous washroom and storage here as well. Wardrobe with drawers below. So double bed here at the back with storage around, and double bed up there. And let's have a look at the third one, which is here, which is this character here. This one, however, now comes with a very large, oh, sorry, very large, but it's a largish garage. For this, you're looking at 133,000 Oasi 610 GL, and here you can see once more what it looks like with the seat now back, but you can see there's a place for your legs for the belted positions back here. Bed above, and similar kitchen, but at the back we've got a single bed here, access via a ladder, and storage under the bed, and here we've got access to the garage as well. Now what we can look in there, there's the wardrobe, enormous wardrobe, storage below, and washroom here. So, come back to the one I started off with, the 540. See, the prices were relatively same in all cases. So I think really it's a magnificent motorhome. It's very small, of course. One of the problems, the biggest problem, is the price. But I think as far as motorhomes go, this really does appeal to me. Something like this, maybe not so much this one because I can't carry a bike and I'm a quite a hardcore cyclist, but the vehicle with the garage would be possibly more my style. But for the moment, thanks very much for watching. All the best from me in Dusseldorf in Stuttgart.